Understanding Green Consumerism, a guide to eco-friendly choices. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and increasingly important topic: green consumerism. This concept is not just about language, but about how we interact with our planet. Let's explore what it means and why it matters in our daily lives. Green consumerism refers to a lifestyle choice where individuals prioritize buying products and services that are environmentally friendly. It's about being conscious of how our purchases impact the planet. This involves looking for products that are made sustainably, have minimal environmental footprints, or support eco-friendly initiatives. The key here is the focus on reducing harm to the environment through our consumer choices. This concept is crucial because it directly impacts our planet's health. By choosing eco-friendly products, consumers can reduce pollution, conserve natural resources, and support sustainable practices. It's a way of taking responsibility for our environmental impact. Importantly, green consumerism also sends a strong message to businesses and manufacturers about the growing demand for sustainable products, encouraging more eco-friendly practices in the industry. 1. Buying organic products. These are made without harmful pesticides and chemicals, which are better for the environment. 2. Using reusable items, such as cloth bags, water bottles, and coffee cups to reduce waste. 3. Supporting eco-friendly companies, choosing brands that are committed to sustainable practices. 4. Recycling and upcycling, turning used items into new products to reduce waste. While it's a positive movement, there are challenges. Sometimes, eco-friendly products can be more expensive or harder to find. There's also the issue of greenwashing, where companies falsely claim their products are environmentally friendly. It's important for consumers to be informed and critical when making choices. Thank you for joining us in exploring green consumerism. Remember, each small choice can make a big difference for our planet. We hope this video helps you understand this concept and inspires you to make more eco-friendly choices in your daily life. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.